Hello guys, how have you been? Hopefully everything is going well. I am also well. Today I am coming for to you talking to about the speaking in English. How can you speak English is very easily, and how can you get English is very easily, and what type of tragedy if you take, how can you will be starting English. That's it. So today I will give you the three tips. If you a English learner, if you a new English comer, it will be very beneficial for you. And if you wants to um, learning English, it will be more beneficial for you. So please guys, take the steps and try to use your in your life. It will be it can be easy if you want to learn English. So first of all, I want to tell you about the listening guys. If you makes habits of English listening, it will be very beneficial for you and useful also. Actually, when you are using the social media, try to everything convert to its English. When you will be using the social media, everything will become out of your in front of you, everything will be English. That time it will be habit of you, and it can be also help you. And when you will spending your leisure time, try to listening English music. There have a lots of popular English musician of the world. Whoever you are like, you can listen his music also. After that, you try to spend your leisure time by watching movies. It's also beneficial. First times you can use the subtitle. When you not getting the advanced level of English, you can use the subtitle. And after a period, when you will are getting the English words, try to avoid the subtitle. Don't using subtitle always, it will be harmful for you. After a several time, you can avoid the subtitle also. Then you will getting this one, and you can realize this one, you are getting the English word very easily. And second tips of mine, try to reading newspaper, books, magazine, everything. When you are reading English newspaper and any articles, it will be easy for you. You will getting the most important words in the reading newspaper, books, news articles, everywhere. You can getting the advanced level of words, which when you will try to once the meaning, and then you can also realize you can you also using these words in many ways. It will be most beneficial and helpful for you. And third of the tips of for you, it's speaking. Try to get any partner, it will be more beneficial for you. If you getting a partner, and if you chose a partner, you will try to speak with your partner regularly. And try to be getting a partner, he will be the relationship with you is friendly. If you are getting a friend, you can talk anything with him. Okay, so, and if you don't getting any partner, let it go. It's not mandatory. You can use your mobile phone. There have a lots of way of in the mobile phone. If you want to learn English, there have a lot of apps in the world. There have right now chat GPT, AI tools. You can use this. And if you want to getting any partner, you can also search in YouTube. There have a lots of channel, lots of people who are speaking with people. So it's not too much difficult for you if you want learn. So guys, don't waste your time. Try to learn English regularly. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.